Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're going to talk about this Philips Multigroom Series 5000 head to toe styling, as you can see from the box, and it says up to 80-minute runtime, waterproof, 2-year worldwide warranty, and we will do the unboxing for this, and the that's the series number 5 MG5720/15. So if you want to buy exactly the same one, you have to see this number, guys. This is really important. And the price of this one, I bought it for 56 euros, and it's really amazing. So let's start the unboxing, guys. So I will open it for you and we will see. So guys, here is the box, and here are some user manual, also user manual. I think these are about the warranty. This is about the warranty, and this is, as you can see here, it's written about the guarantee. So it comes with a pouch, so you can put in the pouch as well if you are traveling. And so that's the exact box. This is how it looks like. As you can see here, it has a you can see here, it's a rubber grip over here, very nice, very fine grip. And the shape of this is a rectangle, and the product color is black and gray, guys. You can see here it's black and gray. And this is the power button to turn it on and off. And it has precision trimmer, so it is good for beard, eyebrow, and ear. And it has a self-sharpening blade. You can see here it has self-sharpening blade, and it says on the box it is waterproof, so it's very good. And the power source is obviously the battery, and the battery gives the operation time of the battery is 80 minute, 80, and the battery type is built in, guys. And the charging time, it's a bit long, it's 16 hours charging time. And the AC input voltage is 100 to 240 watt. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. It's written here Philips, and when I turn it on, it will be like this sound. You can see here it's now in a working mode, guys. Okay, so first of all, we start gonna talk about different kind of the trimmer it comes with. So this is the first one. This is for ear and nose, as you can see from the shape. So what you have to do is you can remove the whole blade from here. You can see here it comes very easy like that, and then you can put this one. I will show you. Yeah, like that. So once I will put it here, yeah, so here it works. So you can see here, so now this one will start working. And if you want to remove, you have to do the same, just from here, just little push. You can see here, very easy. And then you can put this back, same thing, that's from the inside. Yeah, it goes like that, and here we go, it's ready. Very easy, guys. So if you want to remove from here, you can remove, yeah, and from here you can put it back, and it starts working. Okay guys, so this is the first one. So let's move to the second one. That's a different one. So it's the number, and it comes with the, okay, this is the second one. Okay guys, and the numbers are written over here. You can see here, numbers are written. This is the other one. So it comes with, I think, 6 trimmers. That's the other one. And this is ABS 6, it's written over here. So that's the fourth one, and this fourth one is really amazing. It gives you different kind of trimmer, so according to the number you can move it. So this is 5, say 5, 6, 7, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can change it according to your beard or your hair. Okay, and that's the other one as well for very small trimming, as you can see here. So what you have to do, you have to remove all this thing and you can put this one on the top. This is for I think ears or nose. Okay, and then that's the other one. You can see here, this one, ABS 4. So that's the other one, this ABS 8. Okay, number 8, and this one is number 9. So this is number 9, guys. So it comes with a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it comes with the 8 different types of trimmer, and this is the metal trimmer, guys. So let me mention this is the metal trimmer, this one. Okay, guys, so there are different combs. As I told you, these are different combs. So this one, the one I talk you about, it's called detail metal trimmer, guys. Okay, and these are the combs. So these are different 6 combs, these ones, and this is for the nose and ear trimmer, guys, this one. Okay, so what's the next thing? The next important most important thing is the charging. This is the charger. So charger is like that. You have to put it back here. It's very easy, and then you can charge it, guys. And that's the obviously the most important thing. That's the brush. So this is for to clean it, as you can see here. This is for the cleaning, guys. So you can see here it's written here Philips, made in Indonesia, and it's the water signs are here. So it works underwater as well. Okay, used only with Philips supply unit, it says. And so this is how it looks like. Really sleek and really clean kind of trimmer, guys. I like it very much. I'm using it, and it's really good, guys. So it gives good battery time. Also handle, the grip is really good. So the grip is really good. I can easily shape my head and my beard as well. So guys, I hope you like the video, and I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.